Wow, it is pouring out there. Hey, Sweet Pea. Did you get done with work? Not yet. Did you want me to prepare dinner? Did you eat any of the ingredients I need? You did, didn't you? Let me check. Okay, looks like you did. Thank you. Alright, but you're gonna have to make the rice at least. And it's done. Looks like I did a really good job. The crispy rice noodles were a good addition to this dish. Okay. Is the rice done? Alright, but listen. How was work, by the way? I forgot to ask earlier. Oh, nice! Is there anything you want to do tomorrow? Sure, anything you want. You're welcome. Let's sit near the window. I want to hear more of the rain. That was good. I never felt so full in my life. Alright. So it is yours. It's been a while since we've done this. I almost forgot this feeling. I know. To be honest, I've been doing some job hunting. So you don't have all the bills piling on you, and to make things easier for you. I know, but I don't want to be a burden. I'm here most of the day sitting on this couch, just eating our food and lazing around. I may be doing all the things you said, but I want to at least be of use. It's not your fault. I should have told this sooner. Okay. Thanks, Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea, you're the best. I'm so glad I'm with you. Sure thing. Now, where's the blanket? Ah, there it is. Now this is perfect. I guess work really took it out of you today. I guess I'll rest myself too. Sweet dreams, Sweet Pea.